What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars by doing something as simple as designing a basic digital file on Canva, without needing any design skills at all? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $3,000 from a single Fiverr gig, using just Canva and a little help from AI tools like ChatGPT and mrhow. This is 100% beginner-friendly. No face needed, no voice needed, just screen plus smart workflow. So, make sure you watch till the end. I'll break down the gig I used, the tools I relied on, and how you can copy this exact system today, even if you've never used Fiverr before. Fiverr Gig Overview. Let's start with the Fiverr gig that made me over $3,000. It wasn't video editing. It wasn't voiceover. It wasn't coding. It was this simple gig. Design a lead magnet, ebook, checklist, worksheet for your business. Now here's the thing. I didn't write any content myself. I didn't do any graphic designing manually. I just used Canva plus ChatGPT plus a template system. This type of gig falls under digital marketing, lead generation, content creation. Clients love it because everyone online needs lead magnets and ebooks to collect emails or grow their audience. Step-by-step setup. Here's the full step-by-step process I used. Step 1. Create your Fiverr gig. Go to Fiverr, create a new gig under digital marketing or writing and translation, ebooks. Title it something like, I will design a professional lead magnet or ebook for your business. Use Canva to design a clean, eye-catching gig thumbnail. Add 3 package tiers, 1 page, 5 page, 10 page. You'll automate them using AI. Step 2. Use ChatGPT or mrhow. Client gives you a topic, e.g., top 5 mistakes small businesses make. Paste it into ChatGPT. Write a 5-page ebook on this topic. Boom. AI gives you the content. Paste it into Canva. Step 3. Design with Canva. Use Canva's free templates. Search, ebook, lead magnet, checklist. Replace dummy text with ChatGPT content. Change colors to match client brand, export as PDF. Done. The whole process takes 30 to 45 minutes, but you can charge $30 to $100 plus, depending on length. Real earnings breakdown. Let me break down how the $3,000 added up. Basic gig, $35, sold 42 times, $1,470. Standard gig, $65, sold 18 times, $1,170. Premium gig, $120, sold 5 times, $600. Total, $3,240 in 3 months. Most clients came back for repeat orders because they loved the design, delivery speed, and simplicity. And remember, I didn't use Photoshop, InDesign, or any fancy tools. It was Canva plus ChatGPT plus delivery via PDF. What makes this gig so powerful? Here's why this works so well. High demand. Coaches, entrepreneurs, agencies need lead magnets. Low competition. Most sellers don't know about the AI plus Canva combo. Automated. You can finish a $65 gig in under an hour. Repeat clients. Once you deliver 1 ebook, they'll ask for more. You can even save templates on Canva and just swap the text, meaning every new gig takes you less and less time. Tools I used. Here's my simple tool stack. ChatGPT/mrhow for content generation. Canva free plan. For design, Pro is optional. Fiverr dashboard for orders and delivery. Quillbot/Grammarly to clean up grammar or reword content. Google Drive for storage and delivery. All of these tools are free or have freemium plans. No need for upfront investment. Optional, use Fiverr Workspace to track earnings and create invoices. How to scale this faceless. Once I saw this gig working, I started batching. 3 ebook requests in 1 day equals $150 to $200. I made templates in Canva for fast turnaround, hired a cheap virtual assistant for revisions, created a Trello board to manage tasks, built a Notion client tracker for upsells. You can even start outsourcing the AI writing to a ChatGPT-powered tool or freelancer, and just deliver the final Canva file. This turns your Fiverr gig into a scalable, faceless business. But before you go, let me give you a few bonus tips to take this even further. Offer upsells. After delivering the ebook, offer a content upgrade, like matching social media graphics or a landing page design. This can turn a $35 order into a $150+ project. Bundle your services. Combine lead magnet design with email copywriting. Use ChatGPT for this too. Clients love all-in-one packages. Create a Fiverr portfolio. Use dummy examples, not client work, to showcase your style. This builds trust and gets more clicks on your gig. Test multiple thumbnails and titles on Fiverr. A small change in your thumbnail color or wording can double your click-through rate. Remember, it's not just about creating ebooks. It's about using smart tools and systems to deliver value fast and getting paid well for it. You don't need a degree. You don't need experience. You just need the right workflow. So go back to the start of this video. Watch it again if you need to. Take notes. Take action. Because the people who succeed aren't the smartest. They're just the ones who actually start. I believe in you. The internet has changed. With AI and tools like Canva, you don't need to be a designer or writer to start making real money online. If I made $3,000 from just one Canva-based gig, you can too. So what are you waiting for? Drop a comment. I'm starting my Fiverr journey, and I'll reply with personal tips. Like this video, subscribe for more faceless online income ideas. And check the pinned comment for free templates, scripts, and Fiverr gig ideas. See you in the next one. Let's build your passive income, one click at a time.